A Wood Lumber Bamboo Product Guide. Chapter 1. A Woodcraft Guide. Woodcraft Products for Sale 1. 7cornershdwe.com. accurie.com. accused.com. adamswoodproducts.com. airy.com. ai-supply.com. alignwritetool.com. amanitool.com. americanfurnituredsgn.com. americantool.com. americanwoodworker.com. arrowfastener.com. badgerwood.com. beadlock.com. benchdog.com. boschtools.com. brandingisrons.net. bristolvalley.com. carterproducts.com. caseyswood.com. cdwood.com. center-point.com. cherrytre-online.com. chestnutwoodworking.com. chroma-inc.com. chpower.com. cjspray.com. cmtusa.com. craftusa.com. cuttinggetools.com. dakotaalert.com. delphiglass.com. deltawoodworking.com. destacio.com. dualt.com. dmtsharp.com. donja.com. dremel.com. earthtechnic.com. ecog8.com. elmers.com. emperorclock.com. enaturalmall.com. excelglue.com. fiend.com. finus.com. fire-art.com. fisch-woodworking.com. freeborntool.com. fstoolcorp.com. furnituredesigns.com. furnituremedic.com. gerberblades.com. gilmerwood.com. gorillaglue.com. granberg.com. guardsmanwoodpro.com. hadtools.com. hardwoods.com. hardwoodstore.com. hardwoods.com. higghland-hardware.com. hortonbrasses.com. hutproducts.com. ihozs.com. increasta.com. jamestowndistributors.com. japanwoodworker.com. jesata.com. jettools.com. jointech.com. katanabits.com. katiejigs.com. kellerdovetail.com. kirjess.com. clockkit.com. craigtool.com. kremlin.com. ladderracks.com. lagunatools.com. legacywoodworking.com. leejigs.com. lie-nielsen.com. linomat.com. lindenpub.com. elme.com. build a guitar. lockandloadtools.com. macbeath.com. maintimberworks.com. mannyswoodbooks.com. mossepoxies.com. mastergauge.com. mcfeelys.com. microfence.com. microplane.com. miniwax.com. mlcswoodworking.com. modelyexpoinc.com. modine.com. mulecab.com. niagaralumber.com. enil.com. olympic.com. oneida-air.com. onsrud.com. originalza.com. osbornewood.com. packardwoodworks.com. panelpro.org. paxtonhardware.com. pectool.com. bunchets.com. penstateind.com. performaxproducts.com. petriepaintcompany.com. playtimeblueprints.com. polyfoam.com. polymerixsystems.com. powercraftertool.com, powermatic.com, primarktoolgroup.com, purdycorp.com, quick-gripclamp.com, arbywoodtools.com, ridgecarbidetool.com, rigidwoodworking.com, ripsaw.com, rockelr.com, russocio.com, routerbits.com, ryobi.com, saw-online.com, shares.com, scrollsaw.com, shopbottools.com, shopsmith.com, shoptask.com, slaros.com, smithy.com, southernbuildings.com, starrett.com, sdots.com, suffolkmachine.com, supergrid.com, supremedesignproducts.com, system3.com, tarjani.com, books, tech-mark.com, tenryu.com, theoak.com, thetoolchest.com, thewoodshows.com, tigerstop.com, toolguide.net, tools-plus.woodmall.com, toysandjoys.com, turbocarver.com, vandykes.com, vonmfg.com, vermontamerican.com, vermonttimberworks.com, vintagewoodworks.com, vise-griptool.com, walllumber.com, wana.freeyellow.com, waterlocks.com, wayneswoods.com, wdfinder.com, weekendwoodcrafts.com, westernwoodworks.com, westpenharwoods.com, wetzler.com, wildwooddesigns.com, wilkmock.com, williamsandhussey.com, woodbits.com, woodbinning.com, woodbemail.com, woodcollectors.org, woodcraft.com, woodcraftplans.com, woodenpost.com, woodentoyplans.com, woodhaven.com, woodmall.com, woodmastertools.com, woodmedizer.com, woodnet.net, woodpeck.com, woodplanet.com, woodstockinternational.com, woodstrokes.com, woodstrokesmall.com, woodtruss.com, Wood Truss Council of America, woodturner.org, Association of Woodturners, woodturnerscatalog.com, woodworker.com, woodworkersource.com, woodworkerssource.com, woodworkingoncd.com, woodriteltd.com, wrcase.com, cutlery, www.hardware.com, zinsser.com, woodcraft products for sale to acdelco.com, 800 Acdelco, advanced machinery, POB 312, Newcastle, Delaware 19720, 800 322 2226, advmachinery.com, Aged Woods, Inc., 2331 East Market St. York, Pennsylvania 17402, 800 233 9307, agedwoods.com, Classic Building Materials, Artcraft etc. 800 537 2738, artcraftetc.com, Bailey's Woodsman Supplies, 44650 Highway 101, Laytonville, California 95454, 800 322 4539, bbaileys.com, Constantine, Albert, 2050 East Chester Road, NYC 10461, 800 223 8087, constantines.com, cor-vent.com. 800-837-8368. Outside gutters. discount-books.com. 800-378-4060. Woodcraft Books. DrillDR.com. 888-693-7455. Formbees Inc. Box 667. Olive Branch, Mississippi 38654. 800 Formbees. THOMPSON-WATERSEAL.com. Garrett Wade Hand Tools. 161 Avenue of the Americas. NYC 10013. 800-221-2942. GarrettWade.com. GrizzlyIndustrial.com. Grizzly.com. 800-523-4777. Heavy Duty Base Tools. HarborFreight.com/go/wood. 800-423-2567. InternationalTool.com. 800-338-3384. JDSCO. 800 Dutch Square Boulevard. Number 200. Columbia, South Carolina 29210. 800-382-2637. TheJDSCompany.com. Precision Wood Tools. Makita USA Inc. 14930 Northam St. La Mirada, California 90638. 800-4 Makita. MakitaTools.com. PioneerMillworks.com. 800-951 Wood. Porter Cable. 4824 Highway 45 North. Jackson, Tennessee 38305. 800-487-8665. porter-cable.com. re-tool.com. 800-269-4075. ridgidwoodworking.com. 800-4 Rigid. Sandingcatalog.com. 800-228-0000. sand-rite.com. 800-521-2318. Sanders. Shakerworkshops.com. 800-840-9121. tberryfarms.com. 509-468-5985. The Cutting Edge. 541-832-2736. thecuttingedgewood.com. toolcrib.amazon.com. 800-635-5140. Trendline Tools. 135 American Legion Highway. Revere, Massachusetts 02151. 800-767-9999. trend-lines.com. Viking Woodcrafts, Inc. 800-361-0115. vikingwoodcrafts.com. waterlooindustries.com. 800-455-0525. woodcaresystems.com. 800-827-3480. Wood and Crafts Inc. Michigan. 800-444-8075. wood-n-crafts.com. Woodcraft Supply. 210 Wood County Industrial Park. Parkersburg, West Virginia 26102. 800-535-4482. 800-542-9115. 800-225-1153. woodcraftsupplies.com. Woodworker's Choice. 800-544-9663. 800-892-4866. thewoodworkerschoice.com. Woodworkers Store. 21801 Industrial Boulevard. Rogers, Minnesota 55374. woodworkerstour.com. Bamboo websites. bambootechnologies.com, Bamboo Technologies. Inbar.int, Bamboo, and Rattan International Network. bamboo-oz.com.au. bamboo-identification.co.uk. AmericanBamboo.org. BambooTechnologies.com. TropicalBamboo.org. GreenHomeBuilding.com/bamboo.htm, bamboo construction, grow your own house. Wood websites. WalnutCouncil.org. KenPly.org, Canadian Plywood Association. APAwood.org, Engineered Wood Information. ForestIndustry.com. GP.com, Georgia Pacific. ahc.org/hardwood/guide, Hardwood Council. NatelHardwood.org, Hardwood Industry Information. Woodweb.com. ahec-europe.org, Hardwood Lumber Grades. am-wood.com/wood/wood.html, Hardwood Guide. windsorplywood.com/nom_hardwoods page.html, North American. nrla.org, Northeast Regional Lumber Association. Inbar.int, Rattan Information Resources. windsorplywood.com/tropical_woods page.html, tropical woods. calredwood.org. woodbin.com. woodzone.com. woodlinksusa.org. asdm.org, Wood Standards. woodfinder.com. woodweb.com. hoganhardwoods.com. kenply.org. woodfloors.org, Wood Flooring, National Wood Flooring Association. woodfloorsonline.com. woodlinks.com. Lumber/wood for sale 1. Home building magazines have many ads for lumber. albanywoodworks.com. calredwood.com. duluthtimber.com. eastteak.com, 800-338-5636. echowood.com. redwoodsalvagesales.com. fpl.fs.fed.us. globalwoodsource.com, 408-392-0573. gp.com. macbeth.com, 812-526-9743. rw-timber.com. sfpa.org. smartwood.org, Used Lumber. southernpine.com. timber.com. timbercraft.com. tresselwood.com. woodsiding.com. lumber/wood for sale 2. Bear Creek Lumber. POB 669. Winthrop, Washington 98862. 800-597-7191. bearcreeklumber.com. Red Cedar. hardpine.com. 800-336-3118. joinery.com. 800-726-7463. Mountain Lumber Co. RT2, Box 43-1. Ruckersville, Virginia 22968. 800-445-2671. mountainlumber.com. Pine Lumber Boards. randlowwoods.com. 800-845-8042. rare-earth-hardwoods.com. 800-968-0074. Sandy Pond Hardwoods. 921A Lancaster Pike. Quarryville, Pennsylvania 17566. 800-546-9663. 800-9 Figure. figurehardwoods.com.